back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, oh, my camera's dying. Okay, look. So today I'm gonna be doing this look for you guys in honor of St. Lucia Independence Day. So I am half St. Lucian, in case anybody did not know, and the other half of my family is from New Orleans. That's why I have the purple from Mardi Gras. This shadow represents the colors of our flag. We have been independent for about 41 years now. A really long time since I've visited my homeland, what I feel is really so much a part of me and who I am as a person. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a lot more. I love you guys. We're so close to 1,000. Normally I'm really goofy because I have time for that, but girl, when this battery died, I'm gonna be mad. Roll the tape. Okay, so we are really up close and personal because that is how I like it, baby. I have not practiced this look. I don't know how it's gonna turn out because, let's just be real, I'm me. Go ahead and take my Urban Decay Electric palette. I've had this palette for years. I think it's like 5 years now, I'm not even gonna lie. I haven't hit pan on anything because these are hella bright and I do work in corporate America, but I will tell you this, these colors are still pigmented as all get out, all shucks. So I'm gonna take this blue here. This one is called Chaos, which describes a lot of my life. Convenient. A lie was told. I'm gonna use Gonzo first on the outer, and then I think I'm gonna deepen it with Chaos. So let's see what that's gonna look like. I haven't practiced, so I really don't know. Okay, since I put the lids, I do that part early. You know how people like to see where it's gonna transfer and then they create that crease. I like to know where I'm even gonna put my crease to begin with because a lot of times I create a crease, but it's too low because I hooded lids. Okay, so this already looks bonkers. So next I'm gonna take Chaos, like I said. I'm gonna use that same brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush and just blend where the lighter color was, the Gonzo was. I'm gonna do it really softly because I feel like this can get bad really fast. I feel like it's actually on its way, but it's fine. I feel like I'm still gonna post it. You know how you just know? It's one of those moments. Like that. I'm gonna clean up under my brow just a little bit. I'm just gonna use my concealer brush to do it. Okay, there's one side. So far, so good. This is the hard side for me. Oh baby, out of practice isn't even the word. So the St. Lucia flag is actually very interesting. So they have more than one color of the flag, which is kind of weird, right? Like if you have American flag, it's red, white, and blue, and that's about it. So they have one that is like more of a royal blue. They have one that is a little bit more of like a sky blue. And it has yellow as well as black, but it also has white. The base of my eye, I think I'm gonna go white and then turn it into a yellow. I probably should have cleaned up the blue a little bit more, but let's just see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this yellow. Actually, I should set this because I'm seeing it's creasing a lot. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the yellow. This one is from my Morphe 35B. I've been using this one a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling it already. Fit in the middle. Hey. I'm actually liking the way this is turning out. Let me tell y'all, I mean, I don't know y'all like that, but I had a really bad day at work. And like, this just relaxes me. My eyes don't look relaxed, but I feel very relaxed. So I'm trying to think what I want to do. If I want to I don't think that black would really be the color that should go here. I might just carry this yellow out. If I would have practiced this look like a normal individual on YouTube, probably wouldn't be here. Why is there glitter on my face? Y'all haven't even seen me pick up glitter. I don't even know why that's there. Okay, whatever. Should I add, speaking of glitter, should I add glitter? A little bit of this gold color. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm gonna do wing liner. That could be the black in the flag. I'm using Kiss KPE 69 lashes. These are so wispy and 10. These are a little bit more dramatic than I normally would do, but YouTube, I mean. I just took a bite of my burger while I was looking for my lash glue. Oh, what lash glue am I using, you ask? What y'all gonna do, cancel me? Shoo. All right. I hope these lashes aren't too crazy for my eyes. But I think that the crazy eye ship has passed when I just put all this stuff on. So we're gonna try it. You should not use hair glue for lash glue, but I mean, like, I never had lashes to begin with, so I feel like, am I really doing anything wrong? yes. Woo! Girl, y'all can feel that air, huh? Woo! Ooh, I'm ghetto. Using this lash glue. And I don't know if y'all will ever catch me saying period with the T. I don't know. I don't really think that's me. Unless I said it before in a video. I don't think I said it before. I don't know. It doesn't do anything for me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. I'm not gonna talk through this part. I'm gonna speed this part up because I am tired and I have work tomorrow. Order business, I think, is the last thing. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Let's go for lip color. Of course, I'm gonna do more of a nude color, even though this is a festive look. I'm not trying to necessarily scare, well, there's nobody here. I'm gonna take out my makeup before I go to bed, and Puppet is dead. I have not told y'all that Puppet is dead. My dog is dead. I'm gonna make a video after this. Lip color. I think I'm gonna use this Beauty Supply lipstick called Dulce Ruby Kisses. I think it's supposed to be like a Kardashian thing. I don't know. But I will say this. I lost a Kylie Jenner matte lipstick that I stole from a fake sister. And someone stole it from me and I want it back. Back is where I want it. And then I'm gonna get my, oh my gosh, Ruby Kisses. And then I'm gonna get my Beauty Supply lip gloss. Oh my gosh, I'm so into gloss right now. I've been into gloss, like, been. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share. All it takes is one share for me to become a rich, famous person like Jackie Aina. Jackie Aina. That's how you say it. I'm gonna Google it after this. She's rich, beautiful.